Hey guys, so we're gonna do a quick video today on how to remotely access all of your rig if you're running on Windows 10 Pro. Only on Windows 10 Pro, not Windows 10. I apologize, I'm still using my old phone. My Samsung has not arrived yet, and my mic, my Bluetooth mic is not compatible with this phone, so you just gotta bear with the sound. So before, I used to have mining rigs, GPU mining rig, and I would just connect it to these converters where I can put all the HDMI in, I can press the button, and it connects to the 4 rigs. However, now with the CPU mining, I'm running into some issues because each one of them is a different computer, right? So I want to control them, I want to access them remotely. 2 questions you guys might have, I'll address it right away. Why am I running Windows instead of OS, Hive OS? I'm running Windows because Hive OS charges me $3 per rig, and since it's CPU mining, that's a lot, right? Since I only have 1 CPU per motherboard. Number 2 question is, why do I have a GPU with this? The GPU only costs $30. My motherboard, the A520, I can't activate integrated graphic on it. It's just not compatible. So some of you see other rigs because they buy more expensive motherboard. My motherboard's only $90. So if you have those 2 questions, hopefully I address that. But in order to, are we ready? So in order to do this, first you need Windows 10 Pro, whether you buy that or I can't show you how I get it. My mom got it for me. So figure it out, guys. Reddit, GitHub if you need to. Get Windows 10 Pro on your computer first, and then next, my cousin's gonna show. I just record. Sorry. Go to System and Security. We're good. System and Security, and then you're just gonna go under Windows Defend Firewall, allow remote access. Right there, and then we're gonna highlight that to allow remote and click OK. So he's gonna go now. He's gonna restart the computer. You want the IP now? So go in. Can we do that one more time so they know what we're doing? If you go into the search, you can type in CMD for command, and then under there you can do IP config, so you can figure out your IP configuration. Right. So that's the IP address. The last number is 147. I'm gonna go over here and I can show that. Can you wait 1 second on that? So over on my computer here, what I can do is I can go to start. Can you hold this for me, please? And then here you can just do RDP, remote desktop protocol. Once we go to here, what was the last 3 numbers?
147.
147 was the last 4, and then I can't. Oh, I can connect right now. So I can connect I'll put in my password.
More choices.
Oh, I gotta go into.
I think it's just view.
It's just view. Yep, so you just put in your login, guys, your user, your login.
Once you
Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry, my cousin set this one up for me. And then don't ask me this for connection. Click yes, and then what you're gonna see right here. That's it, guys. That's how we connect remotely. Just give it a second to load. You got to make sure that you're on the same internet. Okay, so you're all running on the same internet, and that's all it is. And then now I'm gonna show you another thing that I like to do is if we close this. I'll go in here to here again, remote desktop right here, go into more option, and then save credential, and then go to save as. I'm gonna go to where I save them, my Salt Mine workers, and then I'm gonna name it. This is mine, so I know I name it number 1. What this is doing is I'm saving a shortcut, right? So that makes it easier. Now I can just go into my drive, my Salt Mine workers. I got all of them here, and I can just click. I know it's this guy right here. So we're gonna connect. Remember, give it a second and it'll load up, and that's how you do remote on remote desktop control on your Windows 10 Pro. So right now, one more thing you got to do. So let's do this over here. We can actually restart. I'm gonna select this. I'm gonna restart that computer. You got to go into the you got to go into BIOS. So that thing's restarting right now. Most, as you can see, it's restarting. Most computers, if you hit delete, escape, F1, F2, or F10, you will be able to get into BIOS. This motherboard, it's delete. So delete, you get into BIOS. My cousin will show you while I hold the camera. We're tag teaming. So you go into BIOS, you got to go into setting, platform, make sure on your power, have it on always on. What this does is if you lose power for whatever reason, your computer will start up right away. Can we start it up again? That way your computer will always start up, right? So now he's gonna, so make sure it's always on. So if it shuts down for whatever reason, it'll auto start up. And then as you can see, it's starting up right now. He exited, it's gonna go into the login screen. And it takes about 10-15 seconds for it to connect to my internet. All of my computers are connected to the same internet source, so it's loading right now, as you can see. And then the loading screen, and right here, this internet, you can see right here, this is no internet, right? Just give it a second, internet. That's gonna go. That means that I can go over here, and I can start it up, and I can connect, and that's it. That's how you connect remotely. And I can close this one, and I can check all of the other one. I can open this one too. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any question, let us know down below. Please drop it down there. Like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. This is a setup for Windows 10 Pros. Some people, you guys have been asking me why don't I run Hive. I like Windows. My operation isn't big enough. We just do it for fun. Got a few cards here, a few CPU there. We just do it for fun, and I enjoy Windows a lot. And then with Hive, they charge us extra. So because of that, we're just running Windows. I don't want to pay that monthly fee with something that I'm only doing as a hobby. Yeah, if you have any question, let us know, guys. Take it easy. Have a good night.